I think you are 22 years old. Am I right?
Yeah, 22. Yeah. How do you do that? Exactly 22 years old.
People think I'm stupid.
No, you're smart, I think.
That's my trick. I make people think I'm stupid, but actually, I'm very smart.
Yes, you are right. 22.
How old do I look?
How old are you, Dave?
Tell me, guess. What do you think?
I guess about 27, right?
Yeah, I know. I look young, 27.
So what is the truth?
34.
You looks
I know.
like about 20, 26 or 27. 大学生用英语怎么说 ？University student, right? University student.
I do look like I'm in college.
Yeah, university student. Where are you from?
I'm from Yemen.
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 So what is the time in your country?
It is currently 9:02 a.m. on the East Coast. I live in a small state called Delaware. Telahua.
泰拉花.
Do you know where that is?
It is far away from my home.
Yeah, very far away.
Yes, we have time differences, right? Time differences.
You are 12 hours ahead of me.
It is Thursday and you are Wednesday, right?
It is Thursday morning for me and Thursday night for you.
Oh, I understand.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?